What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to discuss about this very special water sleeping mask from a very famous Korean brand called Laneige. I hope I'm saying it right, Laneige. I think that's how it's pronounced. Anyways, so I heard a lot of hype about this water sleeping mask. It's quite popular, so I wanted to try it myself. I have been using this sleeping mask say for a month and a half, and I am ready to share my thoughts with you. So if you want to learn about this sleeping mask, keep on watching. Welcome to my channel, and my name is Anna. I am a cosmetic nurse. I make videos mainly about skincare, some videos about health and fitness, and I specialize in analyzing the ingredients which goes into skincare products. So if you want to learn my tips, subscribe right here and press on that bell icon so you will never miss out on another video. So I will give you a little bit of an insight into the brand so you can understand where they are coming from and why their skincare products are so special. As per Laneige, their scientists started to study the natural moisturizing mechanism of our skin. So our skin has an inbuilt, or you say natural moisturizing mechanism. We have got these natural moisturizing factors in our skin which naturally moisturize our skin. So even if we don't apply any moisturizer or lotion or anything, our body still moisturize our skin. So they are called natural moisturizing factors. What happens is, as we age, the amount of these natural moisturizing factors starts to drop. So when these natural moisturizing factors starts to drop, what happens is it affects our skin's barrier. Our skin's barrier is really important to protect us from the environmental damages, say from UV rays, from extreme weather like too hot, too cold, from viruses, bacteria, everything. So what happens is, with the drop of natural moisturizing factors, our skin's barrier system becomes weak, and that accelerates the aging process. Like you start to see the fine lines, the wrinkles, that uneven skin texture and tone appearing. So scientists were studying how to replace those natural moisturizing factors. Like once their levels start to decrease, what we can do or how we can replace those natural moisturizing factors. So they found out that using the mineral water, which is enriched with minerals, is going to help to replace those natural moisturizing factors. And Laneige also created this water zipper technology. Means once you have provided the moisture to your skin, you zip that moisture in so it does not come out, and it leaves your skin well moisturized and well hydrated. Laneige thinks that moisturizing is the key. As long as we are able to provide that intense moisture to our skin, it will help us to prevent the signs of aging, those fine lines, those wrinkles, that uneven texture and tone, and that pigmentation. So that was the idea behind creating their skincare products. So now look at this water sleeping mask. So water sleeping mask comes in the little jar like this. It looks like this bluish color, like really pretty jar. I have got the 30 ml packaging because I think I bought it over Christmas, but usually this jar comes in 70 ml of packaging. Really easy to use. You open this and that's how the gel looks like. It has got that's how it looks like. It's not too runny and it's not too thick, so it's a really good consistency. And oh my god, I love the fragrance, absolutely love it. I can't really say what type of fragrance it is. It's a very mild, soothing scent, and it's really calming. Yeah, really good fragrance wise. So it's a very mild, soothing scent, a bit like chamomile, and it is apparently designed to help you fall asleep. So how good is that? It will give the moisture to your skin, makes you look younger, as well as it helps you sleep better. Can't ask for more than that. look at the product details, as per Laneige, this is an intensive moisturizing overnight mask which will make your skin feel soft, clear, bright and well rested in the morning through their Sleep Talks technology. So what is this Sleep Talks technology? As per Laneige, our skin becomes sensitized and our skin becomes fatigued during the day because our skin has to fight with the environmental damages like UV rays, extreme weather like too hot, too cold, viruses, bacteria, dust, all those things. So while you sleep and you have got this sleeping mask on, this purifies your skin, this revitalizes your skin, rejuvenates your skin and removes all the impurities from your skin. So that's what is their Sleep Talks technology. Sounds promising, hey? Now let's look at the most important part of any skincare product, which is ingredients, because ingredients don't lie. So the first ingredient in this water sleeping mask is Butylene Glycol. So Butylene Glycol has got two properties. First, it's a humectant and second, it's an emollient. So what humectants do is humectants attract the water from the environment to your skin, and emollients, they seal the water into your skin or they zip the water into your skin by creating this film on the top of your skin. So humectants draw the water in and emollients locks the water in, making your skin feels well moisturized and well hydrated. Second ingredient in this water sleeping mask is Cyclopentasiloxane. It's just a bit of a silicone which adds the texture to hair care products and skincare products. I don't think so Cyclopentasiloxane has got any other effect apart from just improving the texture of the skincare product. And the third ingredient, we have got Glycerine, and Glycerine is also a very well-known humectant, means it draws the water from the environment into your skin. Glycerine is widely used in all the skincare products, and glycerine is quite a cheap ingredient as well. And the next ingredient is a sodium hyaluronate. Sodium hyaluronate, as you know, has got a very high water binding capacity. Again, it has got a very high water binding capacity. It's going to attract the water into your skin, and it's also going to draw the water from your body and lock the water into your skin, and making your face or making your skin looks well moisturized and well hydrated. Next ingredient is evening primrose root extract. So the function of evening primrose root extract is to overall improve our skin health and improves the elasticity of our skin. You know, when we start to get older, our skin becomes a little bit lax and loses its elasticity. So when we are younger, if we pinch our skin, it goes back to its normal, say, place. But when we get older and we pinch our skin, it takes a long time for skin to return to its original place. So that's what is called the elasticity of the skin. So this evening primrose root extract improves the overall skin health, and also it improves the elasticity of our skin. So really promising. And next one is the apricot root extract. Apricot is a very well-known antioxidant, means it fights the free radicals which damage our skin and which accelerates our aging process. As well as apricot has got a really brightening effect, so it makes our skin look very clear and bright. And apricot is a really good exfoliator as well. Next ingredient is quinoa seed extract, and quinoa seed extract is very well known for providing intensive moisture and hydration to your skin. So all these ingredients in this sleeping mask are designed to draw the water from the environment and lock the water into your skin to provide the intensive moisture and hydration to your skin, and some of them are antioxidant which protects your skin from the environmental damages. So really good ingredients in my opinion. Then comes how to use. as per Laneige, use this sleeping mask 2 to 3 times a week as the last step in your skincare. Means you apply all your skincare products, your serum, your night cream, your eye cream, and then apply this water sleeping mask, and then leave this mask on your skin overnight and wash your face in the morning. So this sleeping mask, it absorbs into your skin really well. I would say it takes few minutes, but once it absorbs into your skin, it will not stain your pillows and it will not stain your clothes. And because of its really calming and soothing fragrance, it's gonna make you sleep really well. Then comes cost. 70 ml of jar costs around $39.71 here in Australia, so not that expensive, and it's available at iHerb. So I absolutely love this water sleeping mask. Whatever Laneige has said in the product details, that this mask will provide you intense moisture, it will make your skin soft, clear, bright, and well rested in the morning. All those things are 100% true in my opinion. Each time I applied this water sleeping mask at night and I washed my face in the morning, my skin felt really hydrated, my skin felt soft, my skin felt clear, and my skin felt bright. So I absolutely love this mask, and I would say this mask is worth the money. If you have got a dry skin and you want some extra moisture and extra hydration added to your skin, by all means go and purchase this water sleeping mask from Laneige, and it will not disappoint you. Really beautiful product. So just going back to how to use this mask, I used this mask, I applied this with this brush all over my face, and the other days I just used my finger and I applied it on my face and gently massaged until the product absorbed into my skin. So there are 2 different ways you can use this product. So absolutely beautiful product in my opinion. If you have got dry skin and you want to add extra moisture and hydration to your skin, by all means go and invest into Laneige water sleeping mask. It won't disappoint you. Beautiful product from Laneige, and I would like to say thank you Laneige for creating such a beautiful skincare product. I absolutely love it, and I 100% recommend it to you guys. You know that Laneige does not sponsor any of my videos. I'm just giving you my 100% honest opinion. So if you enjoyed this video and got some useful tips out of it, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. Please give me your opinion in the comment section, because your opinion is really important to me, and I shall see you in my next video. Until then,